Hi guys and welcome to CocoSign. In this video I'm going to show you how to create and manage folders and also how to move documents to folders. CocoSign allows users to create and manage folders and subfolders at will. Now I will walk you through how to create and manage folders step by step. To create a folder, hover over the folders section in the left side and then click on the plus button to create a new folder. In this step you're going to have to enter a new folder name. After you've added the name, click on Create. If you want to create a subfolder, select the Folders section in the left side and then hover over your folder's name, click on these three dots in the right side and then click on New Subfolder. Enter a name and then click on Create. If you want to move a certain folder, hover over your folder again, click on the three dots and then click on Move To. You're going to have the full list of folders displayed on this notification and you can select to what folder you want your folder to be moved to. In my case, I'm going to move my documents folder into the employees folder. To do that, I'm going to click on the move button. If you want to change a subfolder to a regular folder, click on the menu icon next to the subfolder and then click on Move To. In the pop-up window, select folders and then click on move. And the subfolder will become an independent folder now. You can also create a new folder/subfolder from the same window. All you have to do is click the new folder icon in the left bottom corner. If you want to rename a folder or a subfolder, all you need to do is to click on the menu icon next to it and then click on rename. And after you've edited the name, you can click on save. To delete a folder or a subfolder, simply click on the menu icon yet again and then click on delete. On the confirmation window, click again on delete. And the folder or the subfolder will be automatically deleted. If you want to move documents to folders, you'll need to select the documents section in the left side, navigate to your preferred document, and then click under Actions on More. Click on Move To and select the folder you want that document to be moved to. Finally, after you selected the folder, click on Move. The file will also remain in its original location, which is Documents, but you can also find it under Folders in your folder where you moved it to. If you want to move multiple documents to a certain folder, simply tick the box of all the documents you would like to move and click on the Move To button up top. Select your preferred folder or subfolder again and click on the Move button. Now you will be able to view your documents in the new subfolder that you've sent them to. This is how easily you can create and manage folders with CocoSign. Visit CocoSign now to start a 14-day free trial, no credit card required. This being said, I hope you'll have a nice day.